Hey Team Creative, come on with me as I organize my mom's kitchen. It was well overdue for her to get a new kitchen, and she got a fabulous new kitchen. We gutted everything, and I wanted to make it perfect for her. So I went to IKEA and I bought some organizational products, and this was one of the plastic things that actually hold your pots and help you to line those up. Y'all, I pushed this in every way but backwards, and I could not get it to fit, and I started to give up. And then I said, you know what, it's always more than one way to skin a cat, honey. We're gonna make this work today. So I went on over and I decided, after trying to push for the last time, what can I do? I was thinking, and I said, you know what, let's cut this baby down. It's in the drawer. Nobody's going to see it, but it's going to serve a purpose. So I started cutting and slicing, honey, like your mama used to slice that welfare cheese, and it would not work. I flipped it over to the back, and it was much thicker than I actually thought. And then I realized I was on top of her new countertops, and I was like, okay, if I cut these countertops, we're going to have a problem. So I moved over to a safer space, and I don't know if you guys have ever seen this tool. I will link it in my Amazon storefront, but this is like a heat melting tool, and when I say it works wonders, I first used this for a birthday party when I was trying to cut foam board to do a backdrop, but baby, when I say it came through, it came through. Now, I am going to say, if you use it at your own risk. Don't be stupid. If you put your fingers on it, you're going to the hospital, baby, because look at the steam coming off of it. But that's what makes it such a perfect tool. It does come with a stand to prop it up. I never use it. It's still in the box. I just lay mine on top of cardboard. But, again, use at your own risk. And please be careful, guys. We don't need any burns. After about 10 minutes of me constantly pushing down on this, trying to go and slice straight down through it, I finally realized that if I kind of lay it vertically and line it up with where I had already started to cut with the box cutter, that it would actually slice a little bit better and melt easier. It does take a little bit of time, but it works perfectly, y'all. And if you do this with foam board, it melts like butter. So just take your time, be careful. You want to be safe if you use this tool, but it's something that's actually a really good product to have around your home, and I think I paid less than $15 for it. Not 50, baby, 15. Anyway, let's get back into it. So after I finally got through the slicing, I was able to pop that bad boy right off, y'all. Y'all see how that came off? Pretty clean cut, not perfect, but clean enough for me to do what I needed to do and to make it work. So I went on ahead and worked on my second piece. Now this set comes from IKEA, like I said, and it comes with more than one part, but not more than one part. It comes with about 4 pieces, but because the drawer was not wide enough, I couldn't put all of it back down in there, but it's gonna serve the purpose and it's gonna do what it do. So hold on a minute and I'm gonna show y'all that. Y'all see me pulling that second piece off? It came off, and I was like, okay, got it in the drawer, y'all. Y'all see how that fit? It clicks in and locks into itself, and then it comes with these pegs that you see me screwing in. Once I screwed these pegs in and got them into place, at least where I thought I wanted them, I went on ahead and let's unbox these new Carote pots and pans, guys. We ordered these from Walmart for her, and the reason that we chose these is because they come, this was like a 15-piece set that came with servingware as well, but it comes with your lids. It comes with pieces that you can put over the top to convert it from the stove straight to the refrigerator, and which I'll show y'all in just a minute after unboxing. And they are also easy to store because the handle is removable. Those are the lids that you can put straight on top of your pot. So if you have a little bit of something left and you're tired, you don't really want to break it down that night, you can let it cool down and you're good to go. So you get 2 handles, as you can see. One is already on the pot. This is my second handle right here that came. You simply click the button and it pops open, y'all, and I'll show you guys in just a minute. And you see what I mean by the lid just fits directly on the pots. They're very versatile, fits on the pan. Click that handle on, y'all, and you good to go. Strong, firm, does not let go. And when you're ready to store, you simply unclick, take it off, and you're ready to go. So convenient, so easy to store. I actually love the versatility of these pots and pans. So if you have a small space in your home and you want nice pots and pans, but you just don't have a lot of room, this set is absolutely amazing. I also have them linked in my LTK and my storefront if you want to purchase. I went on ahead and put these pegs in. Now I do need to get a holder for all of her utensils that came with this set, and I think we're gonna save these because she already actually had a set. So we'll put these out when I get through organizing everything. That's just me showing you the pot and pan again and how it actually clicks and the versatility of each pan. But I wanted to go ahead and store these utensils in a drawer, so I just dropped those in. We'll actually put those on the counter later. I moved the pegs around just a little bit to make sure everything fit and everything was versatile. Screwed the top on that last lid and got it placed, and voila. Her pots and pans are beautifully organized. I left a few pots and pans right at her reach that she can use on a daily, but these are pots and pans that she can pull out when she's cooking a bigger dinner, and she has the versatility to buy other pieces if she likes. That's one of the things that I really liked about this, honey. You can go to Walmart and pick your own set. You can put it together and personalize it based on what you want, because they do have extra pieces that you can buy. I think it came in maybe 2 or 3 other colors, like an eggplant and a blue, but this cream was perfect for her kitchen. Very versatile. So if you want to see the rest of the kitchen remake and part 2, don't forget to like and follow. I will be organizing her spices and all of her dry goods as well, and I will do a full kitchen reveal. This is a smaller kitchen, but it came out absolutely amazing. We tried to think of every detail that we could when we were designing to make her life easy, but to also make it very functional, because we all know small spaces can be very difficult to design and make them functional, all the way down to having a medicine cabinet put in her kitchen cabinets on the end where she can store everyday medicines like pain medicines and allergy stuff that's easy for her to grab. So I will be sharing these with you in different parts. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and follow. Join the creative family. We do everything over here from fashion to decor and organization. I love you. Bye.